Hi folks, welcome to another episode of RCY Scotland. Today we're going to be doing the assembly of the ball diff. So let's get on with it. Okay, to start off with, we're going to need the diff joint. And you're going to be needing the ball diff grease. So you take a little bit ball diff grease and smear it on the spaces. Just a wee coating. And it goes on there. Next you take a bearing and pop it on. Then the spacer. Just lies on. Next thing, you take the gear and you need the bigger balls for it, but you need to put grease in the holes so they don't fall out. You make sure you don't get the grease on the gearing, so you put quite a bit of grease on. Once the grease is in place, you take the bigger balls. You've got small balls for the thrust bearing, you don't need them just now. You just drop them in one by one. Oops. That's them all in. You could plant that on top of this, like so. Then you need this top bit, the diff joint, another spacer. Make sure you get plenty diff grease on this. On both sides. So that goes on that. So it sticks, and another bearing goes in there, like so. And that could go on top of the thing, like that. Next, what you need to do is The diff spring, you need to compress it just to see if it's all working right. So get a wee compress, it works. So you drop that in, like so, and then a spacer. It can sometimes be fiddly. Yeah, that's in. Then the diff nut. Yeah. Now this is the next bit, is the tricky bit. You need a fresh cocktail stick, and you're going to be using the black grease. The black grease. So put the spacer on. Like so. And you want to make sure you put quite a lot of grease on this, because the next balls you're going to need to balance the balls on top of this, which is really tricky. So you want to make sure you got plenty grease so the balls will stick. Then one by one you need to put the balls on. See, 1, 2, 3. So that's all the balls on now, and I'm gonna put the other spacer on it. Which you just sandwiches the balls together. Got to be really careful. So there you have it. So sandwiched together. And maybe put a little drop more grease around the ends, because this is a thrust bearing. Which all goes together in here now, so that's that. And what you need now is to push this down and tighten, lock it all down. So once you got it going, it goes in easy. You see it going down. So what to do is you tighten it as tight as you could get it, and then you half turn it out again. And what you want to make sure is it doesn't spin while you're holding the two ends together. You don't want to turn, so it's turning a bit, so another wee tighten, wee bit more tighten it. Yeah, and there you have it. Assembly of one ball diff for the FXX-D S. Thanks for watching.